morning. It is, I don't know what time it is right now. I think it's 11:47 a.m. and I'm gonna go check my mailbox. I'll be right. Let's go look what's in the mailbox. Wow, that's so gorgeous. Wow, I love this. Hey guys, it's me and Momo as well. This is my baby. She is literally so attached to me, it's crazy. She loves to cuddle me every single day. It's hard to film sometimes because she loves being on top of me. But today, guys, we're gonna be working on the commission. I have a lot of energy because I had cold brew earlier at a cafe, a bakery cafe. I'm gonna work on the painting and it might take me a few hours. We don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish the painting today, but that is the goal. I'm gonna try my best to finish the painting today because I told the client that I would finish it by the end of the month. And we're coming up to the end of the month already, so we're gonna try to finish it. I love her to death. This is my child. This is my precious child. Okay, time to get down. The cold brew is giving me a weird caffeine energy right now. It's a weird feeling. I don't know how to describe it, but it's kind of fucking with my brain. This is a good camera angle. I was trying to figure out a good camera angle to shoot this video. I'm ready to start painting. Let's get started. Hey guys, it's been an hour. I think I made some good progress so far. Look at the peas. But yeah, taking a break. I'm like really freaking tired, but I need water. Okay. I feel a little better now. It's been fun. Why do I feel so tired? Like, I had a cold brew. I don't know what the deal is. Maybe it's just too hot in my apartment. I'm gonna turn a fan on or something. But I'm feeling a little tired. I got plenty of sleep last night. I don't know what it is, but so I think it looks good though. So in the next hour, I'm planning on adding some more white streaks and then some dots. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know how I feel about the background. I think it's really cool, but I think that it looks kind of strange. It looks kind of... Okay, I figured out why I think that it needs to be improved. I think that this part is good, but I feel like this part right here needs a swirl. I think there should be a swirl right here so that it kind of flows and it goes around. And Hey guys, I finished the painting. Well, I still have to touch up the edges of the painting. I painted them Payne's gray, so they look black, but they're actually Payne's gray. But I think it turned out really good, and I'm so happy I finished today. I didn't think I could do it, but I tackled it, and it's currently 4:43. I started painting around 1 o'clock, I'm gonna say, but look at it, it looks so good. And thank you so much for watching my video. I feel very accomplished right now, and I even made an Instagram reel while I was doing this. So I was recording for YouTube, but I also made an Instagram reel too, so I'm gonna be posting that. And I just feel like I did what I wanted to do today. I have a few ideas for some YouTube videos, but I haven't really set them in stone yet, so I'm gonna brainstorm some video ideas, and I'll see you all next time. I hope everyone's doing okay, and I hope everyone's having a good day today, because I'm having a good day. But yeah, please leave a like or a comment. I would love to read a comment if you have anything for me. If you have any of YouTube, or if you have any video ideas, be sure to let me know in the comments, because I'm open to anything right now. My goal is to create content 2 to 3 times a week, so anything, just let me know. In the meantime, I'm gonna be thinking of my own ideas, but if you have any other ones, feel free to leave a comment. And I feel like I've said comment like 100 times. But okay, anyways, I love you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.